Kami ay kasalukuyang naggarampa ni Justin pa po ng Station 2. Oh. Ang hirap kaya, ang init-init. Super. Ay, oh, walang break si tatay. Yan ang breath ni Justin yung mga ganyan.
Oo, maraming pera yan eh.
Ang daming kimchi. I love the grotto. Oh, there's another one. The family that prays together, dies together. There he is. That's cute, guys. He's sitting there. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yan. Cute niya. Kimchi. Diba cute si guy? Cute siya. I mean, oh, there you have the dome. What's that? What do you call that shake one? Oh. This guy is also cute, oh. Yan ang mga bet ni Justin, mga alabo-alabo. Oh, ayan. Yan ang mga bet niya, ha. Tandaan. Oh, there's Jonas. Jonas ba to ng Showtime?
No.
I thought so. Okay, let's have some shake.